I bet you could have used a minute, just a little time alone. But you let me be your little shadow, following wherever you would go. Then I got a little older, and you gave me space to grow. I don't ever seem to tell you enough, but I want you to know, when God made you my mother, He knew who I'd need. When He picked you from the others, He could already see that you would be my hero and everything I wanna be. When God made you my mother, He was being good to me. I come to you with all my secrets, and you never ever judge. And when I'm falling in my weakness, you give me strength to stand back up. No amount of miles could separate us, no place where I don't feel your love. You say I'm the gift that heaven gave you, but mama, I'm the lucky one. 'Cause when God made you my mother, He knew who I'd need. When He picked you from the others, He could already see that you would be my hero and everything I wanna be. When God made you my mother, He was being good to me. If I'm ever a mother, I wanna be like you. If He picks me from the others, I'm gonna try to fill your shoes. 'Cause mama, you're my hero and everything I wanna be. When God made you my mother, He was being good to me. Yeah, He was being good to me.
La chara chara, la chara chara, la chara chara chara, la chara la chara, la chara chara, la chara chara, la chara chara chara, la chara la chara.
Mama, kamusta na di na? Tayo laging nagkikita, miss na kita sobra. Lagi na lang kami ang nauuna, di ba pwedeng ikaw muna? Akin ang pangamba, dahil ikaw ang aking mata sa tuwing mundo'y nag-iibang dahilan ng aking paghinga. Kaya huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong mata, tana, pahinga muna, ako nang bahala. Labis pa sa labis ang iyong nagawa, mama, pahinga muna, ako na. La tara tara, la tara tara, la tara tara tara, la tara la tara, la tara tara, la tara tara, la tara tara tara, la tara la tara. Ikaw ang ginagawa pa ba? Pahinga muna, ako na. La-tara-tara, la-tara-tara, la-tara-tara-tara, la-tara, la-tara, la-tara-tara, la-tara-tara, la-tara-tara-tara, la-tara, la-tara. Di ko na sasayangin pa mga natitirang paghinga. Tutungo na kung saan naroon ng mahalaga. At kahit na kailan pa may di mawawala, pagkat dala kong mapa. Saan man mapunta, alam kung saan nagmula. Huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong mata, tana. Pahinga muna, ako na. Huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong mata, tana. Pahinga muna, ako nang bahala. Mas masalabis ang ginagawa, mapa. Pahinga muna, ako na. La-tara-tara, la-tara-tara, la-tara-tara-tara, la-tara-tara, 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 la-tara-tara-tara, la-tara-tara. Pahinga muna, ako na.
Said goodbye, turned around, and you were gone, gone, gone. Faded into the setting sun. Slipped away, but I won't cry, 'cause I know I'll never be lonely. For you are the stars to me. You are the light I follow. I will see you again. Oh, this is not where it ends. I will carry you with me. Oh, till I see you again. I can hear those echoes in the wind at night, calling me back in time, back to you, in a place far away where the water meets the sky. The thought of it makes me smile. You are my tomorrow. I'll see you again. Oh, this is not where it ends. I will carry you with me. Oh, till I see you again. Sometimes I feel my heart is breaking, but I stay strong and I hold on, 'cause I know I'll see you again. Oh, this is not where it ends. I will carry When I think back on these times and the dreams we left behind, I'll be glad 'cause I was blessed to get to have you in my life. When I look back on these days, I'll look and see your face. You were right there for me. In my dreams I'll always see you soar above the sky. In my heart there'll always be a place for you for all my life. I'll keep a part of you with me, and everywhere I am there you'll be. And everywhere I am there you'll be. Will you show me how it feels to feel the sky within my reach? And I always will remember all the strength you gave to me. Your love made me make it through. Oh, I owe so much to you. You were right there for me. In my dreams I'll always see you soar above the sky. In my heart there'll always be a place for you for all my life. I'll keep a part of you with me, and everywhere I am there you'll be. 'Cause I always saw in you my light, my strength. And I wanna thank you now for all the ways you were right there for me. You were right there for me. In my dreams I'll always see you soar above the sky. In my heart there'll always be a place for you for all my life. I'll keep a part of you with me, and everywhere I am there you'll be. And everywhere I am there you'll be. There you'll be.
I wish the heaven had visiting hours, so I could just show up and bring the news that she's getting older. And I wish that you met her. The things that you learned from me, I got them all from you. Can I just stay a while and we'll put all the world to rights? The little ones will grow and I'll still drink your favorite wine. And soon they're going to close, but I'll see you another day. So much has changed since you've been away. I wish that heaven had visiting hours, so I could just swing by and ask your advice. What would you do in my situation? I haven't a clue how I'd even raise them. What would you do? 'Cause you always do what's right. And we just took a while say, remember that the answer's in the love that we create. So much has changed since you've been that heaven had visiting hours, and I would ask them if I could take you home. But I know what they'd say, that it's for the best. So I will live life the way you taught me and make it on my own. I will close the door, but I will open up my heart, and everyone I love will know exactly who you are. 'Cause this is not goodbye, it is just till we meet again. So much has changed since you've been away.
Nanuya kayong Kapampangan in perfume.
Retang Kapampangan daring kayi silangan Lura nada timog silangan mareta.
Which country occupied the Philippines during the World War II?
The first man.
World War II, the first country. Sinakop kaya katamo niyang World War II. World War
Ikalawang
II.
digma ang pandaigdig.
Dalawang digma ang pandaigdig.
German, Amerika, Japan o India.
Sinakop kaya katamo. Kasi may mamaratan choices.
World War II. Ating German, ating Amerikano, ating Japan, ating India. Nino sinakop kaya katama niyang World War II?
Amerika.
Amerika.
Yeah!
Sharp kaya talaga yung memory ng apo.
Sunday mornings were your favorite. I used to meet you down on Woods Creek Road. You did your hair up like you were famous, even though it's only church where we were going. Now, Sunday mornings I just sleep in. It's like I buried my faith with you. I'm screaming at the God I don't know if I believe in, 'cause I don't know what else I can do. I'm still holding on to everything that's dead and gone. I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause this one means forever. Now you're in the stars, and 6 feet's never felt so far. Here I am alone between the heavens and the embers. Oh, it hurts so hard. For a million different reasons, you took the best of my heart and left the rest in pieces. Digging through your old birthday letters, a crumpled 20 still in the box. I don't think that I could ever find a way to spend it, even if it's the last 20 that I've got. Oh, I'm still holding on to everything that's dead and gone. I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause this heart. It left the rest in pieces. I'm still holding on. I'm still holding on. I'm still holding on. Still holding on. I'm still holding on. I'm still holding on to everything that's dead and gone. I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause this one means forever. Now you're in the stars, the 6 feet never felt so far. Here I am alone between the heavens and the embers. Oh, it hurts so hard. For a billion different reasons, you took the best of my heart. Left the rest in pieces. I took the supermarket flyers from the windowsill. I threw the day-old tea from the cup. Packed up the photo album Matthew had made. Memories of a life that's been loved. Took the get well soon cars and stuffed animals. Poured the old ginger beer down the sink. Dad always told me, don't you cry when you're down. But Mum, there's a tear every time that I blink. Oh, I'm in pieces, it's tearing me up. But I know a heart that's broke is a heart that's been loved. So I'll sing hallelujah. You were an angel in the shape of my mom. When I fell down, you'd be there holding me up. Spread your wings as you go. When God takes you back, He'll say hallelujah, you're home.
Aruan time set kata. Patabulan niya ako. Patabulan niya ako. Alaya mga be. Ano ba? Ganap-ganap Katolik. Kabilang na siya. Kabilang na siya.
Fluffed the pillows, made the bed, stacked the chairs up. Folded your nightgowns neatly in a case. John said he'd drive, then put his hand on my cheek and wiped a tear from the side of my face.
Wah, greet mo na yan, Leo. Greet mo na. Alay man, video da ka. Makanan kayo sa kaya ka. Sabihan mo na mo. Anak, Mary, happy birthday. Kene. Oh. Happy birthday. Oh, dan mo.
And I hope that I see the world as you did, 'cause I know a life with love is a life that's been lived. So I'll sing hallelujah. You were an angel in the shape of my mom. When I fell down, you'd be there holding me up. Spread your wings as you go. And when God takes you back, say hallelujah, you're home.
Of 387. There lived a queen
Queen. At the age of 64, having two sons, Jack and King, who died in 1095. Did you get it? Spell one.
O-N-E.
O-N-E. Ocha. O. N. E.
Hallelujah, you are an angel in the shape of my mom. You got to see the person I have become. Spread your wings and I know that when God took you back, He said, hallelujah, you're home.
Ya, kung masaya ako, uling nga di ko nga. Ako matuwa ako. Po, kami wala ko di. Ipate-pate na kayo niya. Ano bupagya doon? Doon kumaya. Wala yan.
Yes!
Hindi po ang taga-nakit ang po kasabi. O na yung tamupi.
Lockdown na.
Di ba kung panapun? Number 1 po. Sabi ko na ito, mag-ibisa mo rin regalo rin. Hello. Thank you very much. I love you all.
Kaliwawan pinini, may operate na yan.
Duling yung bino.
Bakit kaya?
Apo,
Tining mga albag ma.
Apo, amo, saan
Nino ka ng kakalyan mo.
May bakit kaya malina kaya maligo. Sinong kakalyan mo? Nabungit eh, terang. Kay Kikine? Salamat. Binurumata yung nagara na pulang.
Kaya na, sabi kaya, pamilya teaser PCSE, nandiyan, pagsala ka.
Kay Kikine?
To live!
To live is to sacrifice.
Oh.
Correct.
Oh.
Oh. To die is to rest.
Oh.
To marry is the best for you.
Oh. For you.
Sweet is a pursuit.
Sabihan niya ang bale. Bale, tingnan English siya po. Sabihan niya po.
If you have not yet tasted the bitter of all beets, you will not learn to appreciate the sweetest of all sweet. Sweetest of all sweet.
Sabihan niya ang bale. Bale, tingnan English siya po. Sabihan niya po.
If you have not yet tasted the bitter of all beets, you will not learn to appreciate the sweetest of all sweet.
Inawak, di natang. Di maganyang matagtao. Kaya matulingan kami ni Simpay, hawak na ako kayo. Ni buti hawak na pilan man ako. Ngayon to sa kalway hapon dito. Tinubod mo ulit pati-pati. Balik yung pati-pati. At yung daya, kanya. Yore pati-pati ng daya. Balik lang, hindi mo na yung mali na daya. Paano ito, Professor? Kasi yung Professor, nagawa ko mga UK. Ano ko ba tao na?
Nalamo.
Ayali.
Diyan yun ako.
Yung palabrio, siyang balang binye, kukunan ko.
O siyempre, matuwa na kayo. Pwede kayo pa mag-obra.
Bisa akong tatanggap eh. Bisa mong matanggap. Bisa na akong matatanggap. Iba yan ngayon. Diyan ako ang chapin.
Baka nang takot sa lingabayan. Sa lingabayan. Siyempre may nakita ng neglong maputi Ayaw mo na ipapaot ng tablet mo kaya. Nakalyakan kilos.
Sabi ang man-order yung cellphone niya, Buros.
Ini, ita sweldo na. Ano pa niya rin yung cellphone? Bata siya muli na karela. Makapanong ako.
Aliwaya ko ita. Ay, aliwaya ko ita po. Balo kasi niya may sabi kay Rinyo kare. Before all week, tatangya ka no.
Paano papanwala ka natin ito po. Yan na ko.
Pero kagulot ko ano. Malik ko ano ito. Pera itong bibili ko lang ang baby.
Kunin mo ano nga pong baby.
O, mali mo datang.
Oh, yan o.
Wow!
Karakal na panyugal. Ayos. Nino. Nino. Pota, muntala ka niya ng Poyjet.
Little bird.
Pigkanta na yung wala na sugal na.
Nag-aliburan ko.
Tunak, pumukita yan mo, asak na ito.
Ayan, kaliburan ko.
Todos. Oh, game na po. Apo, mabasa yung cellphone.
Basta yung cellphone na.
Ay, Bem. Kahit
Alaya ay na manilog.
Ganun ang ilog yun eh.
Alya, ba't yung gripo yan? Ay, ito yung maginada karagol na.
Siyempre, namalulawari kayo, pero sa ilog.
Alila, bomba. Nasa atin lang filter, filter day ni. Saka ating pamuloy ni, matailin tagini.
ay,
Kasi
Bom.
ko na naman kakawin mo kanina.
Nagulita? Alang lintakin.
Papakatakilele mo kanya natin.
Ating kasi linta kaya simple pa.
Oy!
Harakap na eh. Mali tayo. Ba't ka Jollibee? Uy, pinyamal na. Uy, pinyamal na. Uy, pinyamal na.
presidente. Wow! Napalamangan ng tatay.
Bingot! Bingot!
That's how it is.
Dapat detang panulo mo inuman mula, baka milakolyo.
Kaya retak ka na po.
Pampadagdag daya la retag kaya ka.
Hindi na.
Ala, maki kubo yaki atang kang maki kubo yaki atang kang puto. Kaya Ben Elias.
Alias. Hindi, bilangin mo ulit. 1.
Oy, bakit sabi niya ito? Bakit sabi niya ito?